Hi guys, it's Ron. How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new Vegas Pro tutorial using Vegas Pro 22. And what this is going to be about is bringing panoramic images to life in Vegas Pro, turning them into a video. And panoramic videos, if you don't know much about them, is your camera is on a tripod, take a photo, and then stitch together with software to create your panoramic image. So let's grab this image and drag the timeline, bring it out, bring the cursor to the beginning. Now here we have black bars. We want to get rid of this and fill the entire preview screen with the image. So go to Event, Pan and Crop, right click, Match Output Aspect, okay, and now what we want to do is put this in the beginning. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lay down a keyframe here. It will be created for us once we're finished. Now, before you do anything, make sure you set this to move in X only. So that means it's going to go sideways, not up and down. Lock aspect ratio has to be selected as well. And now let's create our video. So grabbing this here, drag it all the way to the end. You can see it laid down a keyframe for us right there. Okay, so let's go out here, spin it back. Now it's pretty quick. It's way too quick. There's another way to slow it down, going back to the Event, Pan and Crop. On this keyframe, highlight it, right click, click slow. But it's not going to slow it down enough. Watch this. It's going pretty fast. So another trick to do would be to hold the control key down and time stretches out. Time stretches out to about one, right there. So play this back now. Now it's slowed right down. It's actually quite a long video, but you guys kind of get the idea how to do this. All you have to do is add some music, and basically you're done. That's how to bring panoramic images to life in Vegas Pro 22 and earlier versions as well. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.